King Coupe HVAC Chronicles. Hey guys, we're back again with a banger. If you hungry, and you know I'm hungry, you know the slogan. Fist the plate, let's eat. Welcome back, King Cooper family. We got a little exciting one for you today. As you can see, I got a new drain pan. I made it one out of a bottle. It was a bottle, I just cut around it. Made that, had a little funnel, cut the funnel. As you can see, coming through there, I'm a solder that 1/2 inch back there. Elbow coming up, 45, cut through the rubber step. Hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. So bear with me, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's run down our tools that we need today. This is my mirror, inspection mirror. All right, you finish soldering your inspection mirror, hit me your flashlight. All right, we got our meter. I'm gonna use the UEI today. Meter. My caulk gun. We had it working. Finally got it working. Multi-purpose adhesive spray. That'll help seal in some of the cracks. We got our leveler. Magnetic. See? It's magnetic. I want to make sure everything is done right. What else we got in this bucket? Okay, got a 1/2 inch cutters, tape measure. Let's see what's in this goodie bag. In this goodie bag, got our brush. Got your 3/4, 5/8, 1/2 inch. I can use it either way. I'll show you how to use that. Put this on your drill, same thing as a brush. That's how you clean out your pipe. This one's a nice one right here. This is how you tell your pipe fittings, sizes, see? So all you do is, let's say this. I want to put it in here, that'll tell you the size. So this is a 1/2 inch. If you guys can see it, it'll show you that 1/2 inch. All right, got our flux, brand new. Look at that, look like peanut butter. Can't eat it though. Got y'all solder, brush that I'm gonna use for that. All right, let's see what fittings we got in this baby. 45. Street elbow, 45, 3/4 to 1/2 inch reducer. Got a street elbow coming up. Y'all gonna see how I put that together. Basically the same fittings. Clamp. I was gonna use a hose, but not no more. Vitamins. Pan treatment, condensate pump treatment, prevents overflows and water damage, controls odors, approved for computer rooms. So you put this in the unit and dissolve all that dirt. And a water bottle down there, so when I get done, I can spray some water down there. Make sure that we ain't got no backup clogs or anything. All right, so let's get started, guys. Okay, you wanna clean this out of here. Where you wanna clean up. Y'all like that light I got on there? Light, got a magnet. So if I wanted to put like a screw, I could just put it right up on there and it'll stay. Let me see, can I find one for you? Screw right there. See? All right. So let's get back to All right, we got that clean on the inside. Now we're gonna do the outside. This is a street too, so you got to clean the outside. You don't clean the inside when you got a street. You only clean one side. See that? Like butter. All right, I had a 45. All right, let's clean the 45. I want you guys to see if it's got. All right, so that's clean. That's clean. Let's clean that. Hold on. This thing comes in handy, guys. Yeah. All right, so we got those fittings clean. Bam, bam. Clean inside there, bam. Take our measurements. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Let me see how I'm gonna do that. That right there. I might get it to come up. Let's get our fittings ready. That way I can pass it right there. So. Got our fittings. Alright, I wanted to do an elbow coming straight up. I want to do an elbow back there. So I do an elbow coming up. I can get it in there. Matter of fact, I gotta try to clean this. It became real tight, so it's hard for me to get in there. I always tell you sandpaper, but this comes in handy. I wish I can get this in there, but I can't. Make sure all your joints is clean. God, it's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard. I wish I can get it in here, but I can't move this. It's already been insulated. I'm gonna have a heck of a time trying to insulate this thing too. Okay, let me see, can I get this in here? I can get it in here. Should've sweat that. Let's see, where's my knife? See what's down in here. See what's down in here, guys. That should be the drain. I just need this elbow to come straight up. There we go. Hey, we got the elbow in, guys. Make sure you get that on there. Yeah, it's on there. Yeah. So I want to take that 45. That's a piece. Matter of fact, elbow, then the 45. I want that 45 to come slam up through there. Piece of pipe. Nah, I probably need a coupling. Let's try this another way. I could ream it out. Let's see if I got a coupling. No coupling in there. I need a coupling. I might try to ream it out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm gonna get away from the coupling. I'm gonna come with a 45 elbow. You guys can see. See how much I got coming over. So you always come from the crevices, the end of the elbow. So what we reading, probably about 5.5. 5.5, I want that 45 to shoot up. Maybe at 5. You see 5? I want that to shoot up upwards. All right, so we're gonna measure. I got a wet rag too. Wet rag. So we're gonna do 5. Bam. So you keep your fingernail right there. And just make a mark. Okay. I got a marker. Always keep your marker on you. Hold on. Let me just try to get it out. Alright, so we know right there that we want 5 inches. 5. Bam. So you get that locked in there. Then you clean it. If I can find my brush right here, you're gonna clean it. Before you even cut it, you clean it. Okay, clean that. Alright, we got that side clean. Then we're gonna cut this side, guys. We got 5. We're gonna cut it. You just turn this as you're turning it. Then start cutting it. Tighten it up again. Spin it 2 times, and you cut it. Voila. Let's get to business. Alright. Alright guys, so let's see how we're gonna set this up. Bam. So I use this piece of pipe right here just to push this in a little bit more. So this is gonna be my leverage. So bam, as you can see, let's get up in there. I need that to go a little bit more. See, it's off just a little bit. So I might need to. See how I wanted to come just like that, guys? I wanted to come just like that. Come just like that. So let's put that on and see what we got. So let's put this back, bam, on that. We all for hair. We all for hair, so we need to cut it back. All right, so let's cut this back. A little bit. Let's take probably like 1/2 inch off. It's about right there. All right, once we take 1/2 inch off, that's gonna give me enough to get this thing up and popping. And I ain't talking kernels. Let me see, can I easily get this in here? All right, guys, once you lock it in, bam, hold it gently. There you go. Always turn it just a little bit. There you go. All right. Make sure you start cleaning it again. Your half inch side. This is your half inch side. I'm gonna show you a little bit of me soldering it, guys. Okay. This should do it right here. Bam. Yeah, we might be good with that, guys. Hold on. Bam. Come up with that. Bam. Bam. All right. What else I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see, can I get this right up on it. All right, this is gonna go like that. See, that's gonna go like that. So I'm gonna slide back around, put that up in there. I might use a streak 45 so I can come straight up in there. Let's see if we got a street in here. What we got in this bucket? Let's dump it out. Let's see what goodies we got in here. Oops, we got a street. So if I could use a street instead of that elbow 45, let's clean this off. Always clean the street side. All right, see guys, clean that. Then you want to take your half inch and clean inside of it. But we have our drill for that, so let's use our drill. Work smart, not hard, guys. Safety first, too. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna come just like this. Let me take this off. Bam. With the other piece. Other piece right here. So, bam. That's how it's gonna be. It's gonna come right down in that drain, all right? So let me get this stuff started. I'm gonna go outside and solder it, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we got it all fluxed up. Add a little bit more flux, bam. It's only the drain, all right? So it don't have to be perfect, but on King Cooper channel, we try to do the best we can. Keep the customer satisfied. So I already got my rag right here, wet rag, so I don't fire marshal billet. So let's get into it, guys. Let's move all this out the way. I'm gonna just hit 1, 2, 3, 4 joints. I might, hold on. Welcome back, family. All right, I got that soldered outside because I know it's gonna be real tight going up in there. It's gonna be real tight. So that's a 3/4 to a half inch reducer. I might hit that a little bit more, but I got this joint, that joint, that joint, and that joint. So that's 4 joints, possible 5. Let's get started. It's gonna be a little noisy. Just bear with me. Always fold your solder. Give yourself some slack. Let's cut this tank on. And you hold it down like that. got one done. Get the other one done. It's tight, but we're gonna get it done. It's hot, guys. Hold the solder. Alright guys, it's a little rough, but we're getting there. Ouch, 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 it burnt me. I know I got that one. This one's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought. So I'm about to slap some on there. Alright, let me put a little bit more in there, then we're gonna be done with this, guys. They melted a little bit more. It's starting to get hot. Let it cool down a little bit, because I don't want to melt that. I don't want to put too much heat and melt that. So we're gonna make sure that, see how that's sizzling? Like the air bakings. We don't want that to melt that drain pan. So we're gonna let that cool off. All right, because that heat is getting hot throughout the whole pipe. So when I heat it down there, of course it's gonna come all the way up here, and this whole pipe gonna be hot. So let's cool that down. I think I gotta hit that one more joint, then I'm gonna be good. Let's get back at it. Alright, that's it, guys. No more. No more, that's it. That's it. That's it. We got enough. We got what we wanted. That's it. That's it. No more. It's real tight. That's it. No more. No more. No more. We had enough. No more. No more. No mas. It's only a drain. It's not like the main lines, chill water and hot water coming through. So we should be good with this. We're gonna test it in a little bit. See if we got any leaks. So let me clean this up. Make sure you cool down your pipes when you get done. I'm gonna get some more water. So you notice how I didn't try not to burn all of this insulation up. I'm gonna put it back. We got some more. I think I got some more on the truck. I'm gonna just slide on there. But I think we got it good enough. It's the only way I could put it. Cause I tried to do that vinyl tubing, but it kept bending up. So I was gonna run it like that. Put that up under there, but it kept bending up down here. Right there, it kept doing like this. So that means the water would have been stuck in there. I know it ain't the best job, but I'll show y'all another time when I really get busy and I have like a big job. Like when I'm doing like an install or something, or some service. I'll show y'all there how I get down. But this is a tough spot, so right now, I think we good. Let's see, I don't like that. Alright, All right, guys, so I'm gonna get back with you in a little bit because we're gonna put on the capacitor, put some water in this drain, make sure that we have water draining properly and we have the capacitor on properly. I'll be right back. Okay, my King Cooper family, let's pour some of this water in there, make sure it drains properly with no leaks. I don't have no leaks, as you guys can see, no leaks. So I told you I hit that really good. So the drain, we know that works with no leaks. Might have a little bit in there. That's because it don't have a pitch the way I want because of these pipes right here are so compressed. All right. So our power's off. Have my capacitor, where's my capacitor? Right here. Okay, so let's just take this tape off. This one should be good, but we're gonna check it just in case. So we're gonna bring out our meter, put it on microfarads. Hopefully these batteries are perfect. Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna take this. Hold on, guys. All right, welcome back, family. We're gonna check this capacitor on microfarads. Okay, got 2.5. We need 5, so you got plus and minus. -5 plus 10. Let's see what we got. Let's put it on there. Put one on there. Bam, put the other one. Let's see, can I get this other black one? Come on, black one. Might gotta take this old cap off. I want to keep the cap. Keep this cap. Let's put that. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get this on here. Bam. Bam, got it on there. Put this top back on here. All right, so we got that covered up. Bam. Let's turn on our unit. Power on. All right, so let's open up our valves. All right. You see how it just started on, guys, when I put that capacitor on? That's what happens. If you watch my other video, it wouldn't come on by itself. I would have to turn up squirrel cage. But once I put this capacitor on, this start capacitor, it shows me that basically it's boosting the fan to come on. All right? Brand new motor. Put a capacitor on there. Had about 2.5, but I think it's pretty good for right now until I find a fresh one. I want to kind of get the cool air. So I might have to bleed it, or I might have to, if y'all can hear, listen closely, you can hear that water coming through, so I should have cool air coming through. But that's broke, so you have to keep it in position. Let me show you guys something right quick. So we got 62, all right? When I hold this down, now you see how it's dropping? See how it's dropping? That's because this actuator is engaged. So usually This controls the actuator to come on. So that runs way back over here. This wire goes over there. So it'll engage it, and then the lever will pull back, and it'll actually let the chill water come through here, and that's when it starts sweating. So if that's not engaged, then you know it will stay the way it is, which is not cool air. So all I did was just bypass it and force it. And you can hear I'm just opening it up. All right. So I think I'm gonna end up replacing that. I'm just waiting on the part to come through. But for right now, we got another unit up and running. Got our drain done. We already tested that. Everything running perfect, guys, up and running. All I got left to do is put this door back on, put this whole panel back on top of this top, and we done. I was gonna use the other pan, but I decided to take a bottle, cut it around. Then I found one of these funnels, cut the funnel, dropped it in there, sliced it up, so I can have that little edge. It's going right down here. I'm gonna insulate all that back up again. And we good. Let's turn this unit off. See up in there. You guys can see up in there. I want to put some of that black adhesive. I want to spray some of that. Multi-purpose adhesive spray. So this is like a little coating. Let me shake it up. Let's see. Danger, extremely flammable liquid and vapor. Vapors may cause flash fire, contents under pressure, cause eye irritation. Read carefully other cautions on the side back panel. All right, so we know. Let's look in there. Adhesive. Multi-purpose adhesive spray. What I also want to do is, I might caulk it up again. I don't know. But it's filling up. I needed to drain. That's why I put them cuts right there, so it can just go straight down in there. I siliconed all of it too. So it's gonna seep in there regardless. Might take a little longer than other ones, but that's how we're gonna do it. Like, comment, subscribe. Fist the plate. Let's eat. All right. This is what your light is for. All right, no leaks. No leaks. See your mirror. No leaks. This is how you check to see if you got leaks, guys. No leaks. That's how you check the professional way. So we know we don't have no leaks. That's what the mirror is telling me. All right, just wanted to show you guys that. Got my capacitor on. I want to sweat this right quick so it can drain right down in there, because without it on, look at this. It's just gonna be draining on the outside. So I want to make that elbow go inside there, okay? Put it at a pitch. I already got it cleaned off. Just gonna heat it up real quick, guys. Put some of our flux on there. I know it's a lot, but that's how I like to do mine. I just let mine roll. Put a rag in there. Burnt me a little bit, but I'll survive. That's how I do mine. Oh, we good. That's how I do mine right there, baby. Over there. You guys can see with the mirror, I have no leaks. I can just tell I hit it all the way. It went around. All right. So that's how I cool my joints down. All right, guys. Then I'm gonna put a little piece of insulation about right there. Wash your hands. I gotta change this blade on this thing, man. This thing is dull. That's all right. When that get dry, I'm gonna put that right up in there. So when it's wet and that water comes out of there, it's gonna hit right into there instead of coming on the ground. All right. So I'm gonna let that cool down. Last but least, put our vitamins in here. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put one in here. All right. All right. Everything good. So I'm gonna scrape the rest of this off. Then I'm gonna put that on there so when it's sweat, it won't come down like I told you guys. So over and out. Let's eat. Okay, guys, we wrapping up. Everything is done. Right now, the actuator, I told y'all I gotta order that. So what I did was I just bypassed it, put a piece of copper in there. Once again, being creative. So now we have chill water coming through. Let me give you guys a temperature. See how that capacitor's on there? That's good, running good. Drain, I told you I was gonna insulate that again. If you go back in the video, you can see that that was bare. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, then y'all heard that? You see it's trying to move? See that trying to move? All I did was bypass it. This thing is bad. I might clip the wire anyway. I don't know yet. But we're gonna keep that behind there for right now. All right. It's trying to force its way to turn, but I got it already in cooling. All right, guys. So we should be good. So you stop that. Let's turn that. All you gotta do is turn this. This is what actuates it. So the wires coming in, going inside here, and that's what it's gonna activate this knob to turn. So when you turn it, all you're doing is giving power, coming all the way down here and turning that, which I just showed you. I bypassed that straight up in there till I get a new one. As you can see, like I said, guys, make sure you clean up your area. You see how I clean up all of this? Put all my tools away. This is how you're supposed to leave your workplace when you get done. I was trained, clean as you go. That's how I was trained. So I want to teach you guys the same way. I think I have 49 in that corner. There you go, right there. Look at that, 49 degrees. So that's cold, chill water coming through there. Y'all can see that spectrum on that laser. Looks good, right? All right, guys. Got this unit up and running. One more repair. Actuator. Pan is good. Beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.